Okay guys, hello once again. A beautiful day to you wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are in the world. I remain your G Arenga. So today is the second day after the snowstorm here in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. You can see behind me, the whole place has been cleared. I just want to show you guys what this place looks like after the storm and after the road has been cleared. And then you see how people, clear the snow just for them to be able to move around. And then you can see the eaves of the snows. That's why they have to blow the snow, sideways. You can see, imagine what we saw the other time when, we passed through this place. It's quite different right now. So guys, remember we passed through this place yesterday and the old road was being covered with snow down to what you're seeing far away there, because the city, the government is very effective. They have to clear everything so that people can go to their places of work the next day. Even they started clearing it immediately after the snowstorm stopped. Everyone has to go to work. So this is the bus stop where I'm going to stay to get a bus to where I'm going to. As I move on, I'll just be showing you, some other areas that we've not been to see the aftermath of the snowstorm. Let's keep moving.
I been gay the next on the thing you can call it. Yes.
So guys, I'm at the village mall right now. Yeah. So guys, I'm just lighting here. Just like I said, I want you guys to see what the environment looks like after the snowstorm. That is the cleaning. As you can see, all these places are being covered with snow, and they have to, this is a car park, so they have to clear everything. I just alighted at my destination here, so I have to cross. You can see this place too, everywhere during the snowstorm. I'm sure everywhere was going covered, so they have to clear everything. You can see the tractors. That's the tires of the tractors, I guess. That's it over there. There's a pathway. As you can see, during the winter, all these trees won't have leaves. Before winter, we have falls, and that's when all the leaves falls. Guys, I have no choice than to step into it. A footpath here, the length of this. Oh, guys, it isn't easy. Who am I to complain? I have no choice. This is where I found myself. So guys, that's it. It's gonna be a very short video, and this is where I'm going to stop this video. And I look forward to seeing you guys watching my next video. Till then, sorry, it's windy and oh, that's why I'm shouting off top of my voice. So till I see you again next time with another wonderful and interesting video. I remain your G Arega saying bye bye and then au revoir.